Locate your desired data stream and with a simple click, copy the measurement ID using the dedicated icon to swiftly save it to your clipboard. Are you struggling to locate your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID? This video will guide you through the simple process of finding and seamlessly adding it to your Google Tag Manager. First, navigate to the Google Analytics Admin section and select Data Streams from the menu. Locate your desired data stream and with a simple click, copy the measurement ID using the dedicated icon to swiftly save it to your clipboard. With the measurement ID in hand, head over to Google Tag Manager to add a new tag. Ensure you give your tag a meaningful name for easy reference. Select the appropriate tag type by choosing Google Analytics from the list, followed by Google Tag. Paste the previously copied measurement ID into the designated Tag ID field. Add a trigger by selecting All Pages, then save your settings. Confirm that your tag is functioning by clicking on the Preview button. Enter your website URL and click Connect. A new tab will open, displaying a pop-up confirming that Tag Assistant is connected. Check the list of tags for the firing GA4 tag. Click on the GA4 button containing the measurement ID to view the page view event sent to Google Analytics. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to finding and adding your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID in Google Tag Manager. For more insights on effective measurement ID management, be sure to check out our comprehensive video linked below. Happy tracking!